Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. This is ASMA Tariq from RIPHAH International University, Pakistan. I am serving as a lecturer at RIPHAH International University, Pakistan. The research topic which I'm going to present today is the effect of workplace bullying on workplace deviance and project success with the mediating role of perception of politics. As we all know that workplace bullying has been a crucial issue at any workplace. In the last few decades, workplace bullying has negatively influenced work and project-related outcomes. Furthermore, workplace bullying leads to many underlying negative mechanisms which also affect overall organization performance. And workplace bullying is entity of hypothetical and observational examination. And workplace bullying has been researched in many extents, including field of its inclination and outcome of employees in an organization. We will discuss here with employing of conversation of resource theory. The current research investigates the relationship between workplace bullying and workplace deviance and project success via perceived organizational politics. We will discuss the two main research questions here. The first one is, what is the impact of workplace bullying on project-related outcomes, and how perceived organizational politics mediates the impact of workplace bullying on project-related outcomes. This study is significant to study the organizational behavior which can achieve organizational goal efficiently and effectively. We all know that completion of the project on due time, the budget limit, the cost effect, these all are the pressures on the employees with the long work hours, stress, lack of commitment, and high turnover, which is increasing in the projects. So we will discuss here some organizational behaviors which can lead to the completion and the success of the projects in time. And literature also shows that there's a less research on the impact of workplace bullying on project-related outcomes in Pakistan. So this is the research that has scientifically studied the influence of workplace bullying on the project-related outcomes. Here is the theoretical model. We took a workplace bullying as a IV and project success and workplace bullying as DVs. And perception of politics POP will mediate the relationship between IV and DV. We will discuss here. There are four hypotheses which we took from the literature. Workplace bullying is positively related to the workplace deviance. It's hypothesis 2, workplace bullying is negatively related to the project success. The number 3 is POP mediates the relationship between workplace bullying and workplace deviance. And the last one is POP mediates the relationship between workplace bullying and the project success. In research methodology, we took quantitative approach. Data was collected through questionnaires, and the time horizon was cross-sectional. 2-time data were collected, and we collected the data from the construction and industrial projects and the public sector organization in Pakistan. Convenient sampling technique were used. Sample size was 200. We distributed 250 questionnaires, but we received 225, and 25 questionnaires were incompleted. So we discarded them as well, and we took the sample size of 200. The unit of analysis was the project employees, and data was analyzed through SPSS and HAZE process. the items, the scale were used by these authors, you can see on the slides. And here is the reliability and correlation analysis. The alpha values of all the variables are above 0.7, which shows there is a significant relationship between, there is a constant relationship between the variables. As you can see, there is a negative but significant relationship between workplace bullying and project success, whereas there is a positive but significant relationship between workplace bullying and workplace deviance. So for the mediation analysis, as you can see, the values shows that the perceived organizational politics mediates the relationship between workplace bullying and project success. The second mediation analysis also shows that there is a presence of mediation, and perceived organizational politics mediates the relationship between workplace bullying and workplace deviance. So as a discussion part, there is a significant but positive relationship between workplace bullying and workplace deviance, but a negative and significant relationship with the project success. So we accepted our first two hypotheses, and the second two hypotheses also accepted because there is a presence of mediation, and POP mediates the relationship between workplace bullying and workplace deviance, and it also mediates the relationship between workplace bullying and project success. So we can say that workplace bullying and POP are the core reasons for stress and anxiety, deviant behavior in the project sector, which also influence the project success. We answer this call of Creasy and Kahn's 2017, which suggested that with project-related outcomes, we can take other variables like POP, uncivil behavior as a mediator or moderator with workplace bullying and project-related outcomes. So we answer this call of Creasy and Kahn's. For the practical implication, this study suggested that the HR department and the project managers should implement the proper code of conduct, organizational ethics, and policies in the team, which can lead to decrease the workplace bullying and perceived organizational politics. Workplace bullying and perception of politics are significant workplace behavior, as we all know that, which is experienced by the men and the women. Therefore, the most effective strategies to counter these problems may include problem-focused strategies like dealing collectively with colleagues, looking for support of the managerial staff, filing complaints to the management, mentoring, orientation, training, etc. This will lead in the better team performance and the project outcomes. There are some limitations to these studies as well, like supervisor incivility behavior and customer incivility behavior can also be added in this model. We had some resistance from the employees as well, because they don't show their complete information due to the pressure of their supervisors. But our study also suggested that there is no prior research existing about workplace bullying with the mediating role of POP on project-related outcomes. So this research was conducted on project organizations in Pakistan, and the time frame of this study and resources are limited. For future studies, other variables like supervisor uncivil behavior, customer incivility behavior, the incivility impact can also be checked on the different project or job-related outcomes, which can establish the influence on performance of the employees. So this is all about the topic. Thank you so much.